how to see your screen time and also all of the apps on which you have spent the time in your Android or phone. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can see your detailed screen time in your Android device. So in order to find your screen time, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device. Now once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down until you see this option that says digital well-being and parental controls. So simply click onto digital well-beings and parental controls, and now it will show you your today's time of screen. So this is my screen time today, as you can see, which is around an hour and 12 minutes. And from here you will also see a brief allocation on which apps I have spent the time. Like I spent this much time on settings, this much time on Facebook, and this much on others. Apart from that, you will also see my number of unlocks and all of the notifications numbers that I receive. And also if you will scroll down, you also have some other options as well. You can click onto this, and from here you will see all of the screen time from this particular week and also before that. And also you can find all of the apps on which I have spent the time, like this. So that's how easily you can see your detailed screen time in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.